for anyone that really is looking for a career that you can get into that is good paying, that will provide you an opportunity to progress. Consider manufacturing.
Programs like Creators Wanted are crucial for making significant progress in narrowing the workforce shortage in manufacturing and also showcasing the many opportunities within the manufacturing industry.
Manufacturing makes the world a better place to live every single day. Some of you are going to find the next cure for disease. You're going to build the next robot. You are the future of manufacturing.
It means producing transformational things that change our lives and also human history. That's what it means to be a creator. They're solving problems and they're making life better for everybody. And the best part is they're having fun while they do it every single day of their career.
It kind of like changes my mind of maybe what I want to do in the future. They say that you get to work with new people a lot, which that would be something fun to do. But doing it in general would just be a good learning opportunity.
At first I thought it was going to be a little boring, but it actually is not. It's actually pretty fun. My favorite part was how we worked together and got through it.
It was amazing. We actually saw real life questions. We actually worked together as teamwork. I think about doing this for a career.